Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to write this Python's one line if condition. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, let me define some few variables. Name is equals to Munir, then age is equals to 18. Okay, now I'm asking you to create a program which asks or which tells you whether you are eligible to cast vote or not. Okay, basically if you're 18 or above, you can cast vote. Okay, now how will you go about making this program? Well, you could do something like this, right? If age is greater than or equals to 18, okay, greater than or equals to 18, then you could say that print f string name is eligible to cast vote. Otherwise, okay, if that condition is not true, then we will say that you are not eligible to cast the vote. Okay, so name is not eligible to cast the vote. Okay, cast vote, basically cast vote. Yeah, now if I run the program, as this variable is 18, okay, this condition will be true and we are eligible to cast vote. Okay, and as you can see, as expected, we got our expected output. This program works fine, but the same thing can be achieved with one line. Basically, I'm going to show you the same program with one line. Okay, so is eligible. Okay, is eligible. Basically, you can return a boolean value, okay, and do some other computations if you want, but I'm going to return a print statement basically. Okay, so how this works, stay with me guys, I'm going to explain this how this works. Okay, first let me complete this. If age is greater than or equals to 18, else print this one basically. Yeah, so if I run this program, first of all I will run this program and show you whether this is working or not. And yeah, it's still saying that I am eligible to cast vote. So let me just change the number and verify that else condition is working or not. So let me just put in something like 17. It's going to say that I am not eligible to cast vote. So how this is working? Well, what we are saying is that print Munir is eligible to cast vote if this condition is true, if my age is above 18. Okay, print this statement if this condition is true. If this condition is not true, then go to this else condition where we say that Munir is not eligible to cast vote. Okay, that's it guys, that's how this function, this one line if statements actually works. Okay, basically in real life or a real program, something like you will do something like this. Basically you will return true, and if this fails you will return false. Basically you will not do this print statements. Okay, return false. Okay, false. Yeah, that's how you will do it. And yeah, that's how this works. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.